Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise, and this is episode 192 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, does the Carnival Spirit still have a casino bar? Why are there cameras in the women's bathroom? How many shower chairs are available on each cruise? John, what was the very first ship you worked on as a crew member? And does the zero proof chairs work with the drinks on us in the casino?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if the Carnival Spirit still has the casino bar after the dry dock this year. They have seen conflicting comments and wasn't sure if the layout was updated and if she came out of dry dock with or without the casino bar. John said no. They did remove the casino bar so they could provide more slot machines, which was one of their biggest requests, is get rid of the bar and put more slot machines in. There will be full bar service from the waiters and waitresses coming around the casino. But me personally, I like the casino bar. I mean, what do they add? 10 slots, 15 slots? The casinos are busy, don't get me wrong, but I prefer the casino bar. We just got off the Paradise recently, and it had the largest casino bar in the fleet by far. It was absolutely amazing. Go watch those videos. The bar is massive. So I don't like the fact that they took out the bars. We enjoy casinos. We enjoy gambling. But I'd rather have the casino bar than a couple other slot machines. That's just me. Soapbox done. Question two. This cruiser was on the Vista last week and saw what appeared to be a camera in the stall of a Deck 3 ladies' bathroom outside the Liquid Lounge. They did report it to a member of security and to a fun squad member to escalate. As of Friday night, the bathroom was still open and no change has occurred. Please look into this. John said, it's not a camera. It would be highly illegal to put a camera in any bathroom anywhere, period. This, he said, is a light which flashes in case of an emergency for those that are hearing impaired and cannot hear the emergency announcement. So they need they need to know that they need to go to their muster station. So they're not putting cameras in the bathroom. Seriously, people. I will say, on land, stateside in Florida, if it's a fire of strobe light, it normally is surrounded by a red thing that says fire. So looking at the picture, which you'll see, it does kind of look like a camera, but common sense prevails. They're not going to put cameras in a bathroom. Come on, people. Anyway, question three. This cruiser wanted to know if the ship had a stash of shower chairs to use in the showers for those that need them. John said he can absolutely help arranging getting one of these shower chairs in your room. You just have to let him know at least 2 days before you go on a cruise so he can get one in your shower. So if you like one of the chairs that go in because you have trouble standing, mobility issues, whatever it is, they can absolutely get them for you. But you have to let John know 2 days before you get on the cruise, and they'll have one in there for you. Ta-da! Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question four. This cruiser asked, John, what was the very first ship you worked on as a crew member, and what ports did she sail to? John said his very first ship was the Holiday, and it sailed out of Miami. His very first port was Cozumel, Mexico, and it maybe had 2 or 3 shops and a couple of bars back then. And he said, my, how things have changed. So if you go to Cozumel these days, you get off, you got to go through all the shops, all the shopping, and you get into that port area, which I personally enjoy. There's a spattering of different bars, different shops, stuff like that. So, yeah, John's first ship was the Holiday way back in the day. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if they got the new Zero Proof Cheers drink package. Will the drinks on us in the casino still work for alcoholic drinks while gambling? John said, yes, it does. You can use the drinks on us in the casino for the alcoholic drinks, but the zero proof package will be outside the casino. So if you're in there and you got your drink on, doing a little button hitting, playing some cards, it works in there. But if outside the casino, you just want to have a couple sodas, a few coffees, some specialty coffees, stuff like that, it works outside the casino. So yes, you can use your drinks on us in the casino and the zero proof package all together. Ta-da! That's been episode 192 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.